Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down again and find the navigation bar. And as you can see here, we've got the swipe gestures. Before we'll set them, I just wanted to show you that here you've got the options thanks to which you can customize the button, so you can reorder the back button and the resets and change the position from the right lower corner to the left lower corner. Alright, let's go back and let's simply tap on this swipe gestures option, and instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can enter more options to either block the gestures with the S Pen or change the gesture sensitivity. I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So now, in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger or the pen, and you just go back. And the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the resets, repeat the gesture, but hold your finger or pen somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, you've got the resets. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.